Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Redmi 15. So in order to go into the recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to show the power menu, and we're gonna swipe up to power off. Wait for the phone to completely turn off, and the next thing that you need to do is press and hold the power button and the volume up button, and you will have to hold these two buttons together. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you just want to hold volume up only, so you will have to release the power button. So let's press and hold these two buttons, and now I can just hold volume up. You can also tell when you can release the power button by the vibration. You will feel the vibration when you turn on the device. And there we go. As you can see right now, we are in the recovery mode. We can, of course, stop holding volume up. And over here, we can use volume buttons in order to choose a different position from the menu. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just have to choose reboot option. So make sure that reboot is selected and then press power button to confirm your choice. And then once again, go to reboot the system. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.